Why the Avora Nature Longline Sports Bra is a new gold standard in active wear. Introduction. In a rapidly transforming world where fashion intersects with wellness, function, and sustainability, there is an increasing demand for apparel that does more than look good. Consumers today are informed, intentional, and no longer willing to choose between style, performance, and ethics. At the forefront of this change is the Avora Nature Longline Sports Bra, a carefully engineered garment that reflects not only the needs of modern active lifestyle, but also the values of a conscious living. This long-form video serves as a comprehensive exploration of why this product is redefining active wear. We will take you through its intelligent design, technical functionality, eco-conscious manufacturing, and its broader significance in the sustainable movement. This is more than a product review, it's an investigation into what active wear should be in the 21st century. The evolution of active wear. Active wear has evolved from niche functionality to a foundational element of modern wardrobes. Once restricted to fitness centers and training sessions, sports bra and leggings are now everyday essentials. From morning workouts to grocery runs and Zoom meetings, the need of versatile and transitional wear has never been higher. Avora Nature Longline Sports Bra embodies this evolution. It bridges the gap between workout-ready sport and casual sophistication. Its sleek silhouette, adaptable coverage, and minimalist aesthetic allow it to transition across activities without compromising style or comfort. We examine how market expectations have shifted and how Avora Nature addresses the demand for hybrid garments that perform under pressure while maintaining a polished appearance throughout the day. Functional design meets high-performance fabric. What sets the Longline Sports Bra apart from generic activewear is its commitment to precision engineering. Every design decision reflects a focus on functionality without losing sight of visual appeal. Key performance features: moisture-wicking fabric engineered to draw sweat away from the skin, promoting dryness and comfort even during intense workouts. Breathable constructions allows airflow to regulate body temperature, reducing the risk of overheating. Four-way stretch enhances mobility and provides consistent support during high-intensity movements. Longline cuts offers additional torso coverage, support, and a flattering silhouette. Double-layer chest panel designed to deliver medium to high support without the use of synthetic padding. Seamless finish prevents chafing and irritation, ensuring the bra can be worn comfortably for extended periods. The result is a sports bra that not only supports physical performance but elevates the experience of wearing active wear altogether. Sustainability at its core. Beyond performance, what truly differentiates the Avora Nature Longline Sports Bra is its ethical and ecological integrity. At a time when fast fashion contributes significant to environmental degradation, this product emerges as a beacon of responsible design. Eco-friendly manufacturing includes plant-based materials. The bra is crafted using organic biodegradable fibers that minimize long-term environmental harm. Low-impact dyes, colors are applied using non-toxic water-conserving methods that protect waterways and workers alike. Biodegradable packaging. Even the packaging reflects Avora Nature's commitment to sustainability. Carbon-conscious supply chain. From sourcing to production, efforts are made to reduce carbon emissions at every stage. This chapter analyzes the environmental advantages of choosing sustainable garments and how the Avora Nature Longline sports bra empowers consumers to make ethical purchasing decisions without sacrificing quality. Fit, feel, and real-world performance. We move from theory to application, highlighting how the Avora Nature Longline sports bra performs in real-life scenarios. This includes feedback from everyday users, athletes, yoga instructors, and wellness influencers who have incorporated the product into their routine. Common benefits cited: reliable support for both high impact and low impact workouts, gentle on sensitive skin due to natural materials and seamless edges, all-day wearability without discomfort or restriction, minimalist design that pairs effortlessly with other wardrobe pieces. We present case studies and testimonials that illustrate its capacity to serve as both a high-performance active wear staple and a lifestyle essential. Who is it for? The versatility of this garment makes it accessible to broad demographic. Fitness enthusiastic individuals seeking reliable gear for their training routines, professionals, remote workers, and commuters who value comfort and appearances, eco-conscious shoppers, consumers who prioritize sustainability in their fashion choices, minimalist, those who seek fewer, higher quality items that serve multiple purposes, new mothers, individuals looking for non-restrictive yet sportive post-perform wear. The Longline sports bra is inclusive in both form and function, designed to meet the needs of different body types, lifestyles, and value systems. The Avora Nature philosophy. Understanding the product means understanding the brand. Avora Nature is not just a fashion label, it's a movement grounded in conscious living, organically focused on harnessing the benefits of nature in skincare and self-care products. The brand has since expanded its mission to include apparel that champions the same principle. Avora Nature stands for integrity in sourcing, transparency in manufacturing, commitment to wellness, respect for the environment. The Longline sports bra amplifies this philosophy. It isn't mass produced, it's mindfully made. Every detail is created to reflect harmony between humanity and the natural world. Conclusion: elevating your standards in activewear. Choosing activewear is no longer just about color, cut, or price. It's a decision that reflects your identity and values. With the Avora Nature Longline sports bra, you are choosing a product that performs at the highest level, respects the environment, and aligns with modern aesthetic standards. This is more than a purchase. It is an investment in quality, sustainability, and ethical progress. Ready to make the switch? Visit avoranature.com. Use code NEWSEARCH10 to receive an exclusive discount on your first order. Let your next piece of activewear reflect not only who you are, but the future you want to support. As always, stay natural, stay Avora.